Our today's lesson is about magic box. In this box we have many things. If everybody take out a thing from this box with closed eyes, they will say some sentence about that things. Now let's start. Who can start this action? In the first time, Ali, come. Ali, close your eyes. Open the box. Open your eyes. Now speak about this.
Cat, this is a cat. The cat is big animal. It has 4 legs and a tail.
Very good. Sit down. Now, who can do this action? Hassan, come. Close your eyes. Open the box.
This is a dog. The dog has 4 legs, 2 eyes, and a tail. Dog is fat and mass.
Very good. Now, who can do this action? Hossein, come. Close your eyes. Open the box.
This is a marker. We use this on the whiteboard and also has different colors like pen.
Very good. Sit down. Next, who can do this action? Sadaqat, come. Close your eyes. Open the box. Speak about this.
This is a pen. We use this for writing. It has many colors like blue, pink, red, green, black, and etc.
Very good. Sit down. The last time, who can do this action? Osman, come. Close your eyes. Open the box.
Apple. This is an apple. I very like apple. It comes in 3 colors like green, red, and yellow.
Very good. Sit down.